HGS Trailers, just wanted to show you in comparison our upgraded electrical kit with what comes with the trailer standard. First and foremost, this kit here is what comes with the trailer. You've got, quite honestly, a very low grade 4-flat wiring harness. You've got morettes, cheesy little wire clips that make your joints, grounding anchors, inadequate screws, and this is actually how you're supposed to mount the wires to the frame. To be quite honest, this is on the low end of things. So what you get with our upgrade kit, if we come over here, you get a good quality 4-flat connector, protective sheathing to protect all your wire runs. You get proper clamps that come with a wire clamp, screws, nylon lock nuts, washers to make sure that we're not piercing through any of the plastic. Most importantly, we give you a grounding wire. That's very important on these trailers because we do use the chassis as a ground point, but being that these are painted and bolt together, what you're going to find is that the ground does not travel very well through painted metal. It's basically insulated at every joint. So unless you're going to grind paint off, you really need to daisy chain all your grounds together. Now, with our kit, in the end, if you follow our instructional video, this is what you end up with. A well-routed, well-protected, well-secured wiring system. All of your lights independently grounded. You'll never have issues with your electrical system on your trailer.